Curiosity Cube is a retrofitted shipping container turned mobile science lab designed to bring hands-on science education experiences to 8 to 13-year-old students who might not otherwise have access to them.
I'd say it's a big box of science fun.
You can do STEM projects inside.
We made these microbiomes.
The robot went around the traps.
You get to see bacteria.
Breakthroughs come through unique experiences that trigger our imagination. Experiences that cause us to be curious, to question what we see, what we hear, and what we read. Our goal is to create and accelerate those breakthroughs by engaging young minds. With the Curiosity Cube, we aim to spark curiosity in the next generation of scientists by bringing students out of the classroom and into the lab for hands-on science learning. The program launched in 2017 with 1 cube touring North America. Now, it has expanded to include 4 cubes traveling across North America and Europe. The cube visits schools, summer camps, and public spaces, including parks, festivals, and museums. Each year, the cube has a new theme featuring different interactive science experiments that leverage the latest technology. Our Curiosity Cube events are staffed by our very own employee volunteers as part of our Spark Global Volunteer Program. This allows employees to leverage their skills and expertise while providing students with the opportunity to connect with diverse STEM experts in their own community. We want to inspire young students by showing them that scientists who look just like them are working to create a better tomorrow.